अस्सलामु अलैकुम। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहिल्लज़ी लम यज़ल आलिमन क़दीरा व सल्लल्लाहु अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मदिल्लज़ी अरसलहु लिन्नासि बशीरन व नज़ीरा व अला आलिहि व सहबिहि व सल्लम तस्लीमन कसीरा। Praise be to Allah who is always all-knowing and powerful, and may Allah blessings and peace be upon our Master Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who sent him to the people as a bringer of good tidings and a warner, and may Allah peace and blessings be upon his family and his companions as more as possible. قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم الصدق ينجي والكذب يهدي. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the truth says and the lies perish. I start my speech with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most gracious. Today I am standing here on the stage for delivering a speech on the topic the truth and untruth. Dear friends, every person has a tongue. He uses it for speaking, and the words which pronounces from our mouth is truth or untruth. Both are words, both exist is one, but both has different effect. Your words are your identity. People introduce you with your words. Friends, if your words are your identity. People introduce you with your words. Friends, if your words are against the reality, and if it is as reality, it is truth. There is a difference such from the sky and the land between truth and untruth. First, I would like to tell you that who were Sahaba. The word Sahaba is an Arabic word. You will be popular in your society and village or city. If you are in school or madrasa and you have good habit to speak truth always, you are valuable before your parents and the family members. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.